Hi, I'm Cheryl, and here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'll demonstrate how to make this really pretty fall placemat. On Tuesday, I'll show you how to make this fall table runner any size that you want. On Wednesday, it's the tip of the week, and it's all about needles. And on Friday, I'll show you how to make a trick or treat bag any size you want, and I'll even show you how to use an embroidery machine. If you are interested in other fall sewing projects or other beginners sewing projects, make sure you check below your YouTube screen for those video links. Also, follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.